Good afternoon. Today we discuss the topic is survey. Okay. What is the use of survey? To prepare a plan or a map. Okay. What is the use of survey? It is to prepare a plan or a map. Okay. What are they? To prepare a map of land or country. To prepare a map of country or state. Okay. Next, first one is to prepare a map of country or state. Next, to prepare a topographical of land. Okay. What is first one? To prepare a map of a country or state. Second one is to prepare a topographical of land. What is topography? Topography means the physical features of land. Okay. The physical features of land. That is, for example, hills, mountains, rivers, etc. Okay. To prepare a map of a country or state, to prepare a topographical of land. Okay. Topography means the physical features of land. That is example of topography means hills or rivers, etc. Okay. Next, to prepare a contour map. Okay. To prepare contour map. Okay. First of all, what is contour? What is contour? See here, this is land of earth surface. Okay, earth surface. This is point A, this is point B, and C, D. Okay, these four are the survey points. Okay, what is contour? Contour means a imaginary line passing through a equal RL. Okay, equal RL. RL means reduced level. Okay, we discussed later. Okay, it is nothing but a height. Okay, reduced level. Okay, we discussed later. Now, simply it is nothing but a height. Okay, what is that? Contour means a imaginary line passing through a equal height. Okay, that is called contour. What is the use of contour? Okay, the contour use, that is to determine the quantity of reservoir. Okay, to determine the quantity of reservoir, that means to find out the reservoir water. Okay, reservoir water quantity. Okay, these are the surveying uses. Okay, next, what is surveying? Okay, it is clear. What is first one? The main intention, the main use of surveying is to prepare a map. Okay. Next, what is surveying? Okay, what is surveying? Okay, surveying is an art of determining relative positions of points on earth surface, on or beneath the earth surface. Earth surface. See here, what is surveying? Surveying is an art of determining the relative positions of points. Okay, relative positions of points. Okay, see here, this is earth surface. Okay, what is this? This is point A, point B, point C, point D. Okay, these four are the survey points. Okay, see here, from A to B, the distance is 3 meters. Next, A to C 4 meters, A to D 5 meters, and B to D, okay, again 4 meters. Okay. See here, what is surveying? Surveying is an art of determining relative position. Okay, determining relative position. See here, what is A? A is a survey point. B also one of the survey point. Okay, what is surveying? Determining the relative position from. Okay, what is the position of A from B? What is that? 3 meters. Okay, what is that? Determining the relative positions of points. Okay. Okay, we are finding out the positions of points. Okay, that is called survey. Okay, that is survey. Okay. Next, see here. What is the position of A from C? What is that? 4 meters. This clear. Okay. From A to B, 3 meters. A to C, 4 meters. Okay. See here. What is the position of A from B and C? Okay. From B is 3 meters. Again 4 is. Again C 4 meters. Okay, what is that? Surveying is an art of determining the relative positions of points. Okay, relative positions of points on or beneath the earth surface. Okay, it's clear. Next, okay, it is measured in horizontal plane. Okay, it is measured in horizontal plane. Okay, okay, in horizontal plane. We are determining the distances. Okay, it's clear. Next, okay, this is surveying. Okay, what is surveying? Surveying is an art of determining the relative positions of points on earth surface, on or beneath the earth surface. Okay, next, what are the classification of surveying? Okay, classifications are classification of or division of like types of surveying. The survey mainly divided into 2 types. What is the first one is plain surveying. Okay, second one is geodetic surveying. Okay, first one is plain surveying, second one is geodetic surveying. Okay, what is plain surveying? Okay, what is plain surveying? Suppose this is earth. Okay, the curvature of earth. Okay, the curvature of earth. Not considered. Not okay. The curvature of earth is not considered. That is plain survey. Okay. The curvature of earth. Okay. Or simply. Okay. See here. What is this? This is point A. Survey point. This is B. This is C. Okay. In plain survey, the survey lines are taken as a straight lines. Okay, taken as a straight lines. Okay, it's clear. Plain surveying. What is it? The curvature of earth is not considered in plain surveying. Okay, the survey lines are straight lines. Okay, in plain surveying, the survey lines are taken as a straight lines. Okay, what is this? This is point A, B, C. These 3 are the survey points. Okay, next. Okay. The plain survey conducted by state governments. Okay, state governments like the plain survey is conducted by state governments like R&B and irrigation departments. Okay, like R&B and irrigation departments, and the survey, the distance are it is suitable for less than 250 square kilometers. Okay, it is less than, it is suitable for less than 250 square kilometers. Yes, what is plane surveying? The curvature of earth is not considered. That survey is called as plane surveying. Okay, in this surveying conducted by state governments like R&B, irrigation departments. Next, it is suitable for less than 250 square kilometers. Okay, it is measured only below 250 square kilometers. Next, what is geodetic surveying? Okay, what is geodetic surveying?
5 minutes కంటిన్యూ చేయండి. అయిపోయిన తర్వాత రెడ్ బటన్ తీసుకోండి వీడియో. అది ప్లే చేసి ఫోన్ తీసుకొని డోర్ పెట్టేసి.
Okay. Next, geodetic surveying. Okay, geodetic surveying. What is geodetic surveying? The curvature of earth. Okay, the curvature of earth taken into or considered. Okay, the curvature of earth considered in geodetic surveying. This surveying is called as geodetic surveying. Okay, in geodetic surveying the curvature of earth is considered. Okay, suppose, okay, these three are the survey points. What is the geodetic surveying? Okay, the curvature of earth. Okay, the curvature of earth taken into account or considered. So from A to B, what is the survey line is curved shape. Okay, curved shape. Okay, next, see here, in this geodetic surveying conducted by central government, conducted by Survey of India, Survey of India. Next, Survey of India. The geodetic survey conducted by Survey of India, that is central governments. Next, it is suitable for more than 250 square kilometers. It is suitable for measure more than 250 square kilometers. In geodetic survey, the survey lines are, what are the curved shape. Okay, in plane surveying, the survey lines straight lines. Okay, like straight lines. Okay, these two are the types of survey. First one is plane surveying, second one is geodetic surveying. What is plane surveying? In plane surveying, the curvature of earth is not considered. Okay, like plane. Okay, the like survey lines are taken as a plane. Okay, straight lines. Next, geodetic surveying, the curvature of earth is considered. The curvature of earth is considered. Okay, it is conducted by Survey of India, central government, and it is suitable for more than 250 square kilometers. It is suitable for more than 250 square kilometers. Yes, it is clear. These two are the next. Classification of surveying. We have four types. First one is classification of surveying. We have four types. We discuss only one. Okay, what is it? Classification based on instruments. Classification based on instruments. Yes, isn't here? Classification of surveying. First one is classification based on instruments. Okay, what are they? They are chain surveying. Okay, chain is one of the instruments. Okay, chain surveying. Second one is compass surveying. Second one is compass surveying. Yes, third one is plane table surveying. Plane table surveying. Okay, fourth one is, what is first one? Chain surveying, compass surveying, plane table surveying. Next, theodolite surveying. Okay, theodolite surveying. Okay, fifth one is tachyometric surveying. Okay, tachyometric surveying. The next, total station survey, total station survey. Okay. See here, what is chain survey? What is the use of chain survey? Okay, the main use of survey is to prepare a plan or map. To prepare plan or a map. Okay, what is map? What is map? The graphical representation of Earth. The graphical representation of Earth drawn by a scale. What is scale? Scale is equal to map units by ground units. Okay, ground units. In map units, one division, that is equal to 1 meter. In ground units, one division is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, what is it? 1 and 1 kilometer. Okay, it's clear. The graphical representation of Earth drawn by a scale. What is scale? Map units by ground units. Okay, suppose map units 1 meter. Okay, in ground units, what are they? 1 kilometer. Okay, that is scale. Next, what is the use of chain surveying? Okay, it is measured linear. It is measured by linear, or chain surveying used for linear measurements. Okay, linear measurements. Next, compass surveying. Okay, compass surveying. Okay, what is compass surveying? Okay, this is one of the instrument. Okay, compass. By using compass, we are measured bearings, angles. Okay, measured angles. Next, plane table surveying. Okay, this is used for the graphical representation, or it is used for prepare a map. Okay, prepare a map. Next, theodolite surveying. Okay, what is this? Is one of the theodolite means one of the instrument. Okay, it is used for find out the angles. Okay, angles. What is the use of angle? See here. What is this? See here. This is Earth surface. Next, what is this? This is one of the hill. Okay, this is theodolite station or theodolite. Okay, what is the use of angle? Okay, see here, what is this? Okay, by using theodolite, your side to the top of the hill. Okay, we get the angle. What is the angle? Okay, see here, from total station to hill, that is distance d, and line of correlation to top of the hill, that is h. Okay, see here, what is the form of tan theta? Tan theta equal to, what is it? Opposite by adjacent side. Tan theta equal to h by d. What is h? Height of the hill from line of correlation to top of the hill. Next, what is the horizontal distance between theodolite and theodolite and hill? Okay, that is d. Okay, we will find out h. What is h? Height of the hill. H equal to d tan theta. Okay, h equal to d tan theta. Suppose d equal to 20 meters. Okay, and the theta equal to 32 degrees. Okay, what is h? H equal to d 20 tan 32 degrees. Okay, we get the value, and this is also find out by using staff. Okay, cross staff, and this is benchmark. Okay, we discuss later. Okay, next, tachyometric survey. Okay, by using tachyometric survey, we are find out the top of the hills. Okay, tachyometer is one of the instrument. Next, total station. What is total station? Okay, it is a combination of EDM and theodolite. It is a combination of total station. What is that? It is a combination of EDM and theodolite. Okay, EDM and theodolite. What is EDM? Electronic distance measuring unit. Okay, electronic distance measuring unit. Next, theodolite is one of the instrument. Okay, it is used for find out the angles. Okay, what is it? This is used for the find out the distance. Okay, see here we have to find out the distance and angles. Okay, distance, angles. Okay, we find out the total. This is distance, this is height. Total station. Okay, we discuss later. Next, now we discuss the chain survey. Chain survey. Yes, what is chain? Okay, chain is prepared by galvanized steel. Okay, galvanized steel. Okay, like this. Okay, this is brass. Okay, brass handle. Okay, this is link. Okay, chains are and links. Is clear. Practical means okay. Okay, see here. This is chain. This is brass handles. The chain. Okay, prepared by galvanized steel. This is two handles and consists of links. Okay, links. Suppose the chain length 20 or 30 meters metric chains. The 20 meter chain consists or has 100 links. Okay, 30 meter length, 30 meter chain, 150 links. Okay, 150 links. Every 1 meter has a brass ring. Okay, has a bronze ring. And every 5 meters they have the chain has a metallic tallies. Okay, that is like metallic tally. Okay, this is 5 meters. Okay, this is also another tally. This is 10 meters. The shape of the tallies. Okay, suppose this is 1 meter. The chain has a brass ring. Suppose this is 5 meters. What is that? This chain has a what is that? Metallic tally. It is 5 meters. Suppose the length of chain is 10 meters. What is the shape of metallic tally? This is 10 meters. Okay? Okay. This is seen in practical in our laboratory. Okay? In our laboratory we discussed detailed. Okay? This is chain surveying. Okay? What are the topics? Today's topics? Surveying. Okay, what is surveying? What is the use of surveying? What is the use of surveying? To prepare a plan and a map. The main use of surveying is to prepare a plan or map. Next, what is the definition of surveying? What is surveying? What are the surveying is an art of determining the relative positions of points on or beneath the earth surface. What is this? This is surveying. What is the use of surveying? The main use of surveying is to prepare a plan or a map. Okay. Next, what is surveying? Surveying is an art of determining the relative positions of points on or beneath the earth surface. Next, types of surveying. What are they? Plane surveying. Second one is geodetic surveying. What is plane surveying? In plane surveying, the curvature of earth is not considered and it is suitable for 250 less than 250 square kilometers and okay the straight line. The surveillance treated as a straight lines. In geodetic survey, what are they? The curvature of earth is considered. Okay, what are they? The curvature of earth considered it is suitable for more than 250 square meters. It is conducted by central governments. Okay, that is survey of India. Next, classification of surveying. Okay, we have 4 types of classification. We discussed only classification based on instrument. Okay, these are the instruments. Chain one instrument, compass, intake also one instrument, theodolite, calculator. These are the instruments. What are they? Chain survey, compass survey, intake survey, theodolite survey, calculator survey, total station survey. Okay, the classification based on instruments. Okay, discuss next class.